Hey, my math friends, we have a question from Fariona J. So let's get right into it and help this person out to solve this problem. A long year-end status report for work is 150 pages long. You need to print 15 copies for a meeting next week. How much is the paper going to cost for those reports? Paper is sold in reams, 500 pages for $3.18 each. So we have a lot going on here. The final question that we're looking for is how much is the paper going to cost? So at the end of the day, you need to know how much paper you're using, how many pages there are for this task. So let's back up a second and look at the key information that's going to help us solve this problem. So we know that a status report for work is 150 pages long. And, I kind of just drew a little visual over here to help us, see what's going on here. We have our report. It's 150 pages long. You then need to print 15 copies. Okay, so I need 15 copies. Let's follow our little flow chart here. And what does that mean in terms of number of pages? Well, if each report is 150 pages times 15 15 copies, you're going to get a total of 2,250 pages. All right. So now we know how many pages we are going to be using for these reports. Let's get to the cost part of it. Paper is sold in reams, 500 pages each, for $3.18 each. So we know how many pages there are, 2,250. But what does that mean for us in terms of like how many blocks of or how many reams of paper we're going to get? Well, if they're sold in blocks of 500 pages, you need to now figure out how many reams you're going to use. So if we have 2,250 pages divided by 500 pages per ream, that will be equivalent to 4.5 reams. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Now we know how many reams of paper we need. However, it is sold in blocks of, 500 as whole reams, so we can't buy a half a ream. So we have to think about, do I need 4 reams or 5 reams? Well, I'm going to need to buy 5 reams because that will cover the amount of paper that I need. All right. So again, we can't buy it in half a ream. At least that's what I'm assuming based on this word problem. Looks like it's just sold in, groups of 500 pages. A ream is 500 pages. So we'll have to buy a total of 5 reams. So now we have to find the cost of buying those 5 reams of paper. So 5 reams, and each ream is $3.18. So we multiply those two numbers and get $15.90. So finally we get to the answer, which is the total cost for the paper is $15.90. I encourage you to go back and see if you can, follow the logic of the math through this word problem. It's good to practice. You can set up a diagram, you can draw a picture to kind of help you grasp what's going on. And also it's helpful to kind of just imagine you're this person in this word problem that needs to figure this out. It kind of just gets it a little more real and maybe helpful in helping you solving the problem. All right, good luck.